Our topic is transistor, subject FEEE, fundamental of electric and electronics engineering. Transistor, the building blocks of electronic world. Today we will study evolution of transistor, importance of transistor, definition and transistor types. There are different types of transistor: BJT, bipolar junction transistor, FET, field effect transistor, MOSFET. In BJT also has two types: NPN transistor and PNP transistor. After that we will study transistor symbol and operation, advantages of transistor, latest in transistor technology. Before going toward history of transistor, we will know definition of transistor. Transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electric signal and electric power. Now we study history of transistor. In 1960, an American inventor and physicist, Lee De Forest, made the vacuum tube triode. Vacuum tube triode used in earlier computer to perform digital work. Vacuum tube is an electronic device that control the flow of electron in a vacuum. It is used as switch and amplifier. Vacuum tube triode also used in radio. The first transistor, point contact transistor. In 1947, John and Walter, working together on experiments and theories of electric field effects in solid state materials, with the aim of replacing vacuum tube with a smaller device that consume less power, so they make point contact transistor. Point contact transistor smaller in size and consume less power as compared to vacuum tube triode. The three-layered transistor is also known as BJT, bipolar junction transistor. BJT use both holes and electrons as charge carrier in transistor structures. Holes are, holes are positive charge carrier and electrons are negative charge carrier. Holes are formed when electron from valence band coming toward conduction band. Here holes is formed. Holes are positive charge carrier and electrons are negative charge carrier. There are two types of BJT, bipolar junction transistor, NPN and PNP. NPN and PNP transistor are made by connecting two diodes back to back. When we connect N of first diode with N of second diode, a PNP transistor is made. Similarly, when we connect P of first diode with P of second diode, a NPN transistor is made. So transistor is made by connecting two diode back to back. Basic construction. BJT has three regions, three terminal, emitter, base and collector. There are two junctions, base emitter junctions and base collector junctions. Base emitter junction always forward bias, base collector junction always reverse bias. In forward bias, we connect positive terminal of battery with P and negative terminal of battery with N. Similarly, in reverse bias, we connect positive terminal of battery with N and negative terminal of battery with P. So, for working of BJT, base emitter junction is forward bias and base collector junction is reverse bias. Region of a transistor. There are three regions: emitter, base and collector. Emitter is heavily doped because work of emitter is to supply all charge carrier to collector by using base. Base is lightly doped. Base is lightly doped and small in size so that all charge carrier coming toward collector region. If base is large in size and heavily doped, all charge carrier recombine at base region, doesn't go toward collector region. So base is lightly doped and small in size. Collector is moderately doped but the size of collector is large because it can dissipate the heat. Transistor symbol: NPN transistor and PNP transistor. These arrows show the direction of conventional current flow. As we know, electron is moved from negative to positive terminal and current is moved from positive to negative terminal. So this arrow show the convention of current flow. This arrow always in emitter region. By using this arrow, we can find the type of transistor, NPN transistor or PNP transistor. Now, in NPN transistor, the arrow is toward emitter. This is P and this is N and this is N. So, this is NPN transistor. Similarly, in PNP transistor, we can written the P and N by using the direction of arrow and find the type of transistor. Transistor biasing: the base emitter and base collector junction. The base emitter junction is always forward bias and base collector junction is always reverse bias. Base emitter junction is forward bias, so we connect N with negative terminal of battery and P with positive terminal of battery. Similarly, base collector junction is reverse bias, so we connect positive terminal of battery with N and negative terminal of battery with P. When this forward voltage exceeds the cut-in voltage. Cut-in voltage is the minimum voltage required to make the transistor conduct. When this forward voltage is exceed the cut-in voltage, this barrier is break and current is starting to flow toward charge carrier is starting to flow toward collector region and current is starting flow and transistor is start working. Transistor is work as switch and amplifier. Transistor is work has open switch and closed switch in two different regions. When both base collector and base emitter junction are reverse bias, the transistor is work as open switch. When both junction are reverse bias, when both junctions are forward bias, then transistor is work as closed switch and this region is called saturation region. But when base emitter junction is forward bias and base collector junction is reverse bias, at this position transistor is working and it is work as amplifier. It is also known as linear region and active region. When collector and emitter voltage is large, a breakdown occur. At that condition transistor is overloaded. Now we study the use of transistor. Transistor is used as switch and transistor is used as amplifier. We can use transistor as open switch and closed switch in cutoff and saturation region. Types of transistor: BJT bipolar junction transistor, UJT unipolar junction transistor, FET field effect transistor, MOSFET metal oxide semiconductor. Now transistor application. Transistor has a switch. When used an electronic switch, the transistor is work in two regions, cutoff region and saturation region. In cutoff region, transistor is work as open switch and in saturation region transistor is work as closed switch. Now we see the closed switch and saturation region. When we apply base and collector voltage to the transistor, current is starting flowing when base and emitter junction exceed the cut-in voltage and transistor is work as closed switch. There are only 2 to 5% current because base region is lightly doped and size of base is small. Now transistor is work as closed switch. Transistor has an amplifier. We can use transistor to amplify electronic signal and electric power. Due to small change in base current, we can obtain the higher collector voltage and current. Now transistor is work as amplifier. Our last topic is new technology in transistor. What's new in transistor? Now we go toward 3D transistor. 3D transistor have advantage. It consume less power as compared to BJT, FET, improved performance and have better efficiency. Thank you.